I think I posted once before that I didn't like these repair kits that are made to repair that bracket that quite often breaks off. This is a lower mount on the window regulator, and after they cycle quite a few times, that original one will break. And so this kit, you drill out the old rivets, and it comes with a new bracket and a couple of bolts and nuts to hold it on. So on the surface that looks pretty good, but there's some problems with it. Not to mention that if this is worn out and broken, the rest of it's probably pretty well shot too, which is the case on this one. So all in all, if that's broken, personally I don't recommend those. I'd just buy a whole new regulator. If you insist on using a repair kit, what I would do is bolt it on like that, then I would weld it in place, and then take those two bolts and nuts out and get them out of the way. And at least then you'll have a fighting chance of getting this thing on. It'll still be out of alignment, but at least those bolts and nuts there won't be in the way.